Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cookie cutter is probably one of the most versatile tools in any baker's arsenal, transforming simple dough into delightful shapes. Whether you're a seasoned pastry chef or a home baker, choosing the right cookie cutter can significantly impact your creations. In this video, we'll explore various cookie cutters, from classic shapes to unique designs, helping you find the perfect tools to elevate your baking. Number 5. Spring Chef Dough Blender, Professional Pastry Cutter. This dough blender is a solid tool for cutting cold butter into flour or sugar. It's perfect for making fresh, homemade baked goods. The sturdy and durable metal blades are twice as thick as others. Achieve better texture and taste from all of your baked goods. This tool helps you make flakier and fluffier biscuits, pie crust, pizza dough, scones, and pastries. It works quickly to get uniform pieces of butter mixed in flour, creating a better end product. The dough blender cuts through cold butter beautifully, making it a must-have tool for bakers. It is much more effective and easier to use than a fork or potato masher. You'll get better results. Prevent sore and tired hands and wrists with the pressure-absorbing handle. The thick rubber is much safer than plastic and easier to use, especially for those with arthritis. This tool can do more than just cut butter. You can chop fruit, soft vegetables, or nuts. It's also great for mashing baby food, making salsa, guacamole, chopped eggs for egg salad, and muffin topping. Plus, it's dishwasher safe. What we like? This dough blender is a must-have for bakers. It cuts through cold butter beautifully, ensuring perfect texture in your baked goods. If you're looking for a tool that's easy on your hands and delivers professional results, you should consider this. What people say. The cookie cutters are well made and sturdy. The shapes are perfect and cut cleanly. They are easy to clean. Number 4. Wilton 101-Piece Cookie Cutter Set. Introducing the Wilton 101-Piece Cookie Cutter Set. This set includes 101 colorful plastic cookie cutters. They are perfect for all your baking needs. Each cutter features a comfortable edge and a deep blade. This design makes them easy to use. You'll love how simple it is to create perfectly shaped treats. This set has shapes for Valentine's Day, Easter, and more. It even includes a complete alphabet. You can create fun cookie messages for any event. These cutters are great for cookies, sandwiches, and other foods. They're also fun for crafting. The possibilities are endless with this versatile set. Cleaning up is a breeze. These cutters are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen. What we like? This set offers a wide variety of shapes for any occasion. It's perfect for creating fun cookies, sandwiches, and even crafting projects. If you like versatility and creativity in your kitchen, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a really good set just because of the variety, organization, and price. They feel very durable. Their colors mean different groups, that's really nice. Number 3. KSPOWWIN Stainless Steel Biscuit Cookie Cutter Set. This set is made of stainless steel, making it easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The high-quality material ensures it maintains its shape and provides long-lasting use. The package includes 5 different sizes of round stainless steel cookie cutters. They range from 1.77 inches to 3.35 inches in diameter, with a height of 1.18 inches. These cutters are perfect for various uses, such as cutting cookie dough, fondant, and soft fruits. You can also use them for bread, sandwiches, cheese, craft clay, muffins, and more. It creates a clean cut in your dough or pastry and lifts away easily without sticking. The rolled top edges protect your fingers while pressing on the dough. It's also dishwasher safe. The design includes rolled top edges to prevent your fingers from getting hurt while pressing on the hard dough. This feature makes it safe and easy to use for all your baking needs. What we like? This set of biscuit cutters is made of durable stainless steel and comes in multiple sizes. It's perfect for cutting cookie dough, fondant, or even making pancakes. If you are looking for a reliable and easy to clean set, you should consider this. What people say. The cookie cutters are well made and sturdy. They are the perfect size for making cookies. The designs are very cute and detailed. Number 2. And Clark Number 1 Cookie Cutter 4.5. This cookie cutter is perfect for making anyone feel like they're number one. It's great for celebrating milestones. This cutter is proudly made in the USA. It's manufactured with certified food-safe American steel, ensuring quality and safety. The Clark family has specialized in original designs for over 30 years. They provide creative baking tools. Use this cutter to create themed shapes for any holiday, party, or event. It's a versatile tool for all your baking needs. You can use this cutter with cookie dough, fondant, biscuits, brownies, cakes, or even craft clay. It's easy to use. What we like. This cookie cutter lets you celebrate milestones or make someone feel special. It's perfect for creating themed shapes for any party or event. If you want to make someone feel like number one, you should consider this. What people say. Good cutter quality. The size was good for the first birthday cookie set, making it easy to decorate. Easy to clean. Good quality metal. I used this cookie cutter with shortbread cookies for my little's Reptar-themed first birthday, used sanding sugar and candy melts. This is the perfect size for party favor cookies. It's large but not too big and very sturdy. Number 1. And Clark Baby Onesie Cookie Cutter 4.25. Get ready to impress at the baby shower. This baby onesie cookie cutter is perfect for creating adorable treats. Proudly made in the USA, this cutter is manufactured with certified food-safe American steel. You can trust its quality. For over 30 years, the Clark family has been creating original designs for creative baking. It's a trusted name in the industry. Use it to cut, mold, and decorate themed shapes for any holiday party or event. It's great for baking and party supplies. Make fun shapes with cookie dough, fondant, biscuits, brownies, cakes, or even craft clay. It's versatile and easy to use. What we like. This baby onesie cutter is perfect for baby showers. It's great for making adorable cookies that everyone will love. If you are planning a baby shower, you should consider this. What people say. The metal cut through the cookie dough perfectly. The cutter is on the larger size, which makes the cookies easier to decorate with detail work. This was a great and easy to use cookie cutter. The shape came out perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.